On a sort of a basic kitchen, you could be looking at sort of 4 weeks for a standard type renovation, and that could increase, to maybe 6 weeks plus. There'll be a number of trades involved within the kitchen project. So the first thing would be to get the kitchen designed for you that the builder would be in to strip out. The next stage would be, once you've employed the builder, would be to they would get plumbers, electricians to isolate everything. The whole kitchen area would be removed, any ceilings, etc. would be taken down. First and second fix plumbing would come along with any building works, and then you can start putting things back, having it replastered, ceilings put back up. The kitchen can then be fitted, worktops templated, and then the decorating and finishing off. Usually we tile the floors or put any flooring down so the kitchen sits on top and keeps everything sort of straight and level. Kitchens tend to be quite expensive projects, so it's something you don't want to change in a year or two's time. You want to put it in and it's got to last. If you can't actually afford it at this stage, then sometimes we say to people, look, if you really want to achieve this, then you might be best waiting for maybe another year till the budget would stretch to that. Because if ultimately this is what you want, it's not worth sort of putting in a laminate worktop, for instance. If you want granite, you're best sort of getting exactly what you want. If that means putting it back for another year, then do that. That would be the wise thing to do.